How to hide tagged photos on Facebook Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide tagged photos on Facebook Mobile. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook, go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen if you are using iPhone, or you may also click on the three lines on the upper right if you are using Android. Scroll down until you can see Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Audience and Visibility. Once you're in Audience and Visibility, go to Profile and Tagging, and then right here, scroll down a little bit and go to Tagging. So under Tagging, there are two options. The first one is who can see post you are tagged in on your profile. And then the second one is when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add the audience of the post if they can't already see it? So you may choose the very first option and choose only me by clicking on more and choose only me. You may press back as well as on the second option when you are tagged in a post. So press on it, choose only me, press back, go back once again, and then that's it. That's how you can hide tagged photos on Facebook Mobile. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.